Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infected.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. For those of you who are new, we have some toys. First off, we've got the XJR 110. The Polaris Trailblazer 330. The Yamaha TW200. Polaris Trailblazer 250. TTR 50. MXR 140. KLX 250. And this is my brother-in-law's TW200. Now, we have some special projects we're going to be working on over the next little while. Now, I've posted a video about this before, but we recently got started on it. So check this out. We've got this 2001 Yamaha YZ80. Now, I just put a new top end on it. Put the top end, new piston. We fired it up and found that I need a new petcock seal rebuild kit for the gas tank. Now, this also has some other problems. We need new wheel bearings for the tires. We need a whole new bearing kit for in here on the swing arm, shocks, everything. We're gonna put new bushings. Front shocks, I can't remember, but I think they might be blown. So we may get a shock. I might send it to somebody, I don't know, we'll see. Front shocks need to be rebuilt. Rear shock needs to be rebuilt. Excuse me. We also have this 1992 Ford Trax 250X. Now, this bad boy I bought for $200. It didn't run, cleaned the carburetor, now it runs, but the carburetor was really bad. So I bought a new carburetor. So we will be installing that one of these days. We have it up on the shelf and we got it all torn apart. So we will be changing that carburetor out now that we've got it all torn apart. And we should be ready to rock. Actually, I still need to take off. I believe I still need to take off the gas tank. Actually, I don't know. I can't remember. But before, I had torn it all apart before, and I had cleaned it. Like I said, it was horrible. And it's been having trouble staying running. So, it'll fire up. It just won't run good. So, I just bought a new carburetor because, what the heck? That's probably my problem. It's carburetor. Like I said, it was really bad. So my guess is the needle, the flow, some of that stuff's not bad or horrible, but also the lines. It was so bad that I don't know if I got all the junk out of it. In fact, I'm pretty sure I didn't. I just cleaned it, got it fired up, and I'm sure after using it for a little bit, there might have still been some gunk in the gas tank. So yeah, I could tear it apart, rebuild it, but the carb was cheap, so I just bought a new one. So I'll save the old one so we can put it on. But another thing is this Trailblazer 250. Now, it was low on compression, so I can't say I rebuilt the top end because I actually only put a piston in it. But I am going to order a full top end kit, and I'm pretty sure that'll probably fix my problem. It's hard to start again. I can pull start it, but I believe it just doesn't run right. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's got low compression. I haven't checked the compression yet. I'm still going to do that. But, dude, check this out. Not to forget the Yamaha Exciter 2. Yeah, we had some fun on that. I cannot wait till next winter when we can fully have some fun on it, because we bought it and then it didn't snow. So hopefully we'll get some snow next year. And even if we don't get snow here, that'll be some of the mountains. And now that we've got it, we can go play with it. So anyways, as far as this TW goes here, this rack right here has been holding up. I've had a few crashes on it. Now, let me show you real quick some of the damage that we've done. Not necessarily done, but the chain came off. I probably need to, yeah, it's pretty loose. But one thing I noticed happened, my spark plug boot, look at that. It's actually broke. Look at this. It wouldn't start on me. I don't even know how that happened because I didn't even lay it down on that side. It fell on this other side. But anyways, it wouldn't start on me. I was having a hard time and I was wondering what was going on. And finally I looked at that and was like, holy cow, the spark plug's not even attached. So somehow, in me wheeling this thing over, it broke. But in all that chaos, my sweet paint job held up on it. Levers, still good. That one was already broke. Still good. You know what? I didn't even check that, but maybe that was from a previous wreck, not of me. I don't know. I've had some fun on this thing and wheelied it over. That little was not me tooting. That was this seat. But anyways, stay tuned, subscribe, check out the channel. Check out some of my old videos. Stay tuned because this summer, we've already started, but we're going to have a lot of fun. We are going to test these out because, dude, these are cheap, fun bikes. Both this and this MXR 140. So another thing we're going to be working on this summer is, dude, I need some help organizing this stupid shop. So I'm going to try to get it insulated. I think the wiring is all done. I'm going to try to get it insulated. So maybe some sheetrock, maybe get some better tool setup stuff, because before I didn't really like, I don't know, I guess you could say I never really had any motivation to work on stuff. I was just always like, you know what, sell the piece of crap, let's buy another one that runs, blah, 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 blah. But dude, I'm actually having fun rebuilding this stuff because it's my own. Like, I don't know, it's just fun. But this bike, I've had this bike for a little over a year. Well, about a year, actually. Maybe just under a year. But I've had it torn apart since about a few months after I got it. I finally tore into it, pulled the motor apart, bought the stuff, and now we are just getting ready to get this going. So I did fire it up the other day. I did not get it on video. I should have got some of it on video. I actually have, maybe I'll edit it. I have some stuff. I don't know if I'll be able to get it on the computer because it's on my phone, but we'll see what we can do. You may not be seeing this until we get that gas tank rebuilt. And then once it's rebuilt, we'll fire it up again, but it does run. So it's got good compression. It runs. I'm excited to rebuild it. That's why I did not start the rebuild, because I didn't want to have to buy all the stuff. Now that I started, I'm going to have to buy all the parts so we can get it running. But until then, peace out. Have a good day. Go adventure. Subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we can give you some fun shenanigans. I like to ride. I like to climb hills. I like to test stuff out. So, yeah. Follow along. We'll see you in the next video.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.